So here's an area where they covered in the architectural design when they did this porch add-on for the second floor. Now the problem whenever you do that, it's how good do you do it and everything else. So here's an area where I guess they underestimated how much tin they needed, so they didn't have any overlap. So that's kind of a problem. And then I had screwed it in here because there was room for pigeons to get in. Now the other problem is down here, so they didn't really do it. You got this area where water could run down here, run behind there, and then who knows where it goes. So that's not good, and then who knows what's in there. I think there's pigeons were getting in there at one time, so there's could be junk in there, crap. So I either need to remove all this and put it back in, which I think that might be one option. Another option is to slice it here, get out the stuff, and then put it back together. So I'm really not sure. I think what I'm going to do is pull this screw here that I had put in, and then maybe start taking off this piece of tin here, and maybe I can peel it back enough to get in there, see what's going on, and make it nice. So these are the little things that get you. So you have to, if you ever close in an area, make sure you do it right. So we need to correct this. And I hate to pull it apart, but it's the only way I'm going to be able to do it. And you can see we're off the ground here, but it's not too bad of an area to work in. Then we have to do a lot of painting in here too. I can get in there and scrape. I'm going to have to get some protection on because it's going to be dusty, and eye protection and everything else. But I want to do this first. Really need to get this done.